Hello students, today we have a question x minus whole square equals to 4. We have to solve this question by factorization, right? We can solve it by three methods, but we will take the method of factorization. So first open this bracket with the help of maths rule, which is a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. With the help of this formula, open this bracket. Like take the square of x square plus 3 square, then minus 2a and b. Okay, it's good to close these in the brackets, and now simplify it. X square, from here we will get 9, from here 2 3 are 6x, and also shift 4 towards left side, it will become negative. Now x square minus 6x plus 9 and minus 4, you will get plus 5. Now you have to break minus 6 into two factors such that by multiplication we should get 5, because if you multiply x square with 5, let's say its product, you should get 5 square, and by plus minus you should get minus 6x. So the appropriate factors are 5x and x. Okay, so if you multiply 5x with x, you get 5x square, and if you put minus sign with this 5 and minus sign with x, you will get minus 6x. So these are the perfect factors for us. So minus 5x and minus x. Now take x common from this and this, you will be left with x minus 5, and from here nothing is common, so we can take 1 as common. So x, and as we have taken minus common, so this plus will be written as minus sign. Okay, now in these two terms x minus 5 is common, the remaining will be x minus 1. Now x minus 5 is equal to 0, or x minus 1 equal to 0. Minus 5 will be shifted towards the right hand side, it will become positive. So value of f will be positive 5. In the same way, shift minus 1 towards right hand side, it will become positive, and your answer will be 1. So these are two possible answer to this equation. Yeah, if you want to verify it, you can verify it also by putting their values, right? First put the value of 5. 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3, 2. 2 whole square is equal to 4, which is equal to 4. Verified. You can also verify 1. Now put 1 over here. 1 minus 3 whole square. 1 minus 3, you will get minus 2. Square of minus 2 is 4, which is also equal to 4. So we have verified both answer. I hope you will have liked my this video. If so, then please press the hit the like button. Also subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you. See you in next video, inshallah.